السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله الأكرم الذي خلق الإنسان وكرمه وعلمه من البيان. الصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين والملائكة المقربين وعلى كل ملك وعلى كل من الصالحين. أما بعد، فقد قال الله تعالى في القرآن الكريم وفي الفرقان المجيد بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان. صدق الله العلي العليم. وقال نبينا صلى الله عليه وسلم إنما الأعمال بالنيات. صدق رسوله الكريم. The conquest of Makkah. The foremost duty of the heir to the mission of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi wasallam was a revival of pure and purification of the Kaaba, all that was unholy. The treaty of Hudaybiyah did not double, bringing a temporary peace, which enabled the devotees of the Kaaba to pay a brief visit to there. And central monument, but the Quraysh did not even abide by the treaty of Hudaybiyah. It was now time for the light of trust to shine. Fourth, and dispel the shadows, availing themselves of the option given by the treaty of Hudaybiyah. The Banu Khuza had made an alliance with the Muslims, while the rebels, the Banu Bakr, had patched up a treaty with the Quraysh. All of a sudden they fall upon the Khuza with the open aid of the chief of the Quraysh. Ikrimah ibn Abu Jahl, Safwan ibn Umayyah, Suhail ibn Amr and other forces against the Khuza distinct and under the cover of the night and plunged havoc with the swords. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.